just clowning. We analyzing. And when you hear me break this down, don't just laugh, learn something. Because the funny part ain't the punchline, it's the logic behind it. Now listen close, chat. When you hear this sound right here, you already know what time it is. That's the lie cough. Every time he clear his throat, it's another story under construction. So type that in the chat right now. Hashtag lie cough. We keeping score tonight. We about to walk through this clip piece by piece, call out every contradiction, expose every slip up, and make sense of this nonsense. So grab your snacks, sit back, and let's go to work.